this is where we are doing manufacturing of brake chambers, as you can see from there. This is the power screen for our brake. It has a large diameter, high quality, everything is processed and tested here in the factory. So here you can see this is the aluminum adapter, high quality, and we only use brand new material so that we avoid leakages and we also avoid the development of sand holes inside the adapter. Everything is tested here in the factory. So here this is the half assembled brake chambers. That's where now they combine the two and to make it complete from that machine. You can see here, these are the boxes for the fully furnished brake chambers. You can see from here. The advantages of buying from us is for over the past 20 years, we have always prioritized quality over everything. We know that if we maintain the best quality, we have good reputation, and we want to build a very long or maybe stable relationship with your company. So if you check from our brake chambers right here, you see these housings. We make everything from scratch in this company, and also this aluminum adapter. We use brand new aluminum to make this one to avoid leakages and also to avoid maybe the development of sand holes inside the brake chambers. And another advantage is the diaphragm that we use. It's a very strong diaphragm because it's tested like 1 million times. That means you can use the diaphragm even for more than 2 years, guaranteed. That's how serious we are with our quality. So if you have any request, any product that you want from our company, just speak to us, and I'm here